Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be explaining what is perimeter and area in two-dimensional and how to calculate. So this will be chapter 7.1, which will be about perimeter and area in two dimensions. So first of all, what does perimeter and area mean? So perimeter means sum of all sides. So for example, if we have a rectangle, we have to add the perimeter, so it will be here 2 and 3. So the perimeter will be 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3, which will be 10. So this will be the perimeter. So for area, it will be the space inside the rectangle, which will be the area, total surface covered by the rectangle. So 2 times 3, that will be 6. So this will be the area. So the formula for area will be different for different shapes, and first shape, that is quadrilaterals. So the first shape is quadrilaterals. So for quadrilaterals, we have here parallelogram. So the parallelogram, the base will be B and the height will be this. So the area will be height times base. And for rectangle, I have already showed here the area is the same, which is height times base. And for rhombus, it is also same because it's an enlarged shape of parallelogram. The second is here triangle. So if we have like this, which is the equilateral triangle, right angle triangle, or obtuse triangle, so we will use area is equal to base times height divided by 2. So this will be the formula for triangle. And for trapezium, the shape is a trapezium. Here if we have trapezium, that is like this. So what we will do is we will use the height, and this will be A and this will be B. So the area is equal to 1 over 2 times base plus A, B plus A, plus, not plus, multiply by height. So this will be the formula for trapezium. And for any other two-dimensional shape, such as here if we check, it is hexagon. So we can divide this into and write or use this as trapezium and calculate the area. Like first we will calculate the area of this, then the area of this. So in this way we can calculate the area for the hexagon. So some of the examples of calculating the area of shape is, for example, if we have one object or one question which is like this and like this. So what we will do is, and we have this area 7 and here 5. The length is 6 centimeter here, and we already have the base. So now first what we will do is we will separate this object. We'll make a square and we will make a triangle. So here 5, here 5, here 7, and here 6. Then we will calculate the area of this first, which is A is equal to base times height, which is 5 times 7. Then which will be 35 centimeter square. Then for this one, which will be here A1, here A2. So this is base times height divided by 2. Base is 5, height is 6 divided by 2, which will be 50 centimeter square. So we have the area of both objects. Then we will add the area of both objects, which will be area T is equal to area 1 plus area 2, which will be 35 plus 15, which will be 50 centimeter square. So this is how we will be calculating the area of the object. And so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you're not clear with this question or any other topic, comment down below and I will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.